I'm going to be going over the Coriolis flow meters option of resetting the totalizer. In order to get to that option, you have to press the down button 4 times until you reach the configuration option. Then you press E, and if you have a set password, then this is time to put it in, but for us it's just zeros, so you just press E after you put in your password. Now you've reached the flow configuration option. You press E again, and then you press down until you reach the reset totalizer option, and then you try to press E, and if it doesn't let you reset the totalizer, you have to flip the pin on the K1 7-pin option on the right side of the flow meter after you take off the cap. So this is where the pin that you want to switch is located. It is labeled K1 right here, and the pin that you want to switch is the very first one closest to the K1. It is on the right side, so you want to, and it says on, so you want to switch it to the left side so that it's off. So now that you switch the pin to the off position, now you can press E, and it'll ask you if you do want to clear the totalization or reset it. So then you press the down button to switch it to yes, and then you press E to confirm that you do want it to reset it, and then you're done with resetting it. It's already reset. So now you can press the side button to go back until you reach the original screen.